So a lot of similar issues that we see with couples are sometimes infidelity, believe it or not, but before the infidelity began, there was a rupture in the relationship. And what is a rupture in the relationship? Well, that is where we stop communicating with one another and seek outside sources to fill that emptiness inside. So we use a term in Imago called exits, and a lot of times an affair is an exit because a person is unhappy but doesn't know how to verbalize to their partner, communicate to their partner that there's an unhappiness. So that's one issue that can come up. Another issue that can come up is somebody's working too much. Yes, we all need to work, but we all have to be honest out there that sometimes we use work as an excuse to avoid our partner. Other issues, watching too much sports. Again, a way that we exit out of the relationship if we don't feel like dealing with our partner. And the largest, biggest problem that I have experienced is my partner doesn't let me finish my sentences or say how I feel. So that's where our intentional dialogue comes in.